Hey guys, this tutorial is going to be how to set your any Windows 7 laptop, desktop, anything you want to default factory settings. Right, so what you want to do is head over to the start button, click it, or you can click the start button on your Windows keypad or whatever. Then go to control panel. Right, so you should be on this now, and as you can see there's lots of different things that you can do. Many people have been on here before. If you haven't, then just, like, this is new to you, then just follow what I do. Right, system and security. So here's all the things that you can do. Doesn't, like, power options, like, that's here because obviously it's kind of security for your computer, because you don't want it on full whack unless you're playing a game like Minecraft right there. Right, so you should be on this now, and like, if you want to just pause the video and catch up and stuff, then you can, but I'm not going very quick, just in case there's beginners. So click backup and restore, and again pause the video if you need to catch up. So you should be on here. A lot of people show you to click select another backup to, like, yeah, people tell you to click that. Do not click that. It takes so much longer to do. You get an extra step in it, and this is pointless when you just, like, don't have to do it. Unless you actually desperately want to back up some game like World of Warcraft where it's like huge download. You don't have to, like, unless you want to do that, don't do it. You don't need to do it. Right, click recover system settings or your computer. So when you get to this part, don't click anything here. That button is not worth your time. Click advanced recovery methods. It should be on this page. Click this button. Right, this is the part where I have to stop doing it, because it'll reset my computer and it'll just fail. Do you want to back up your files? Again, if you want to back up your files, do it if you want to, but I'm not doing that. So you click skip. This is like the best way I think you can do it.